My baby! Don't cry!
My baby.
Honey!
Mama! Mama! I miss you so much.
What?
Huh? I'm sorry.
Give me money.
Yes. It's for you. Oh no!
Huh? She's your new mom.
So cute.
Huh? Don't cry.
Yes.
Devil!
Papa!
Don't be sad. Huh?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello!
Goodbye.
Yummy, yummy.
You. No. Hey, come here.
Yes.
So yummy.
Aww.
Honey.
Huh? Papa.
Oh, honey. I'm so sorry. For you.
Wow. Thank you.
Aww. Hello.
This, and this.
Yes, it is for you. Let's go. Goodbye.
Oh no.
Hey you.
Yes.
Cook something else now.
Yes. Papa.
Huh?
No, not me.
Clean up!
Yes.
My money.
honey. Oh my god.
You!
I'm so sorry.
Papa.
Baby, don't cry.
My baby. Honey, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Mama. Aww.
What's up? Baby, are you okay? I don't have money. Wait, wait. Let's eat.
Huh? I'm so hungry.
Huh?
Let's eat.
Baby.
Goodbye.
Huh? Mom, Dad, look at me.
What? Arr! No!
Mama. Huh?
Oh my god.
Do that.
I'm sorry. Aww. Oh, what's wrong with you? Huh? Don't be sad. Huh? What's wrong with you? Ooh! Wow! Yummy, yummy! Oh, wow! Hey, yeah! That's amazing!
Baby.
Huh?
Let me help you.
Huh? What happened?
Huh? It's okay.
Let's go home.
Yes.
Let's eat.
What?
Oh,
I'm
I'm
so
sorry.
sorry.
It's okay.
What happened?
Oh my god! Huh?
Okay,
Ooh! Thank you!
you did great.
Mom, Dad, look at me! Oh, what's up?
Don't do that.
I don't know.
Clean up.
No, no.
What?
Arr! Hurry up!
Yes.
my god! Hey, you!
You are useless.
I hate you!
Wait, wait! Take it slow.
Come here. What's up? Give it back to me. Oh no. Hurry up. Don't do that. Mine. Quickly return it to me. What happened?
What's up?
It is your daughter.
Oh my god!
I hate you all.
I'm sorry. My baby.
Mama.
Don't cry.
For you. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Mom, Dad, I love you too. I'm so cold. What? Huh? What? Huh? Huh? Oh no! Wow! Oh yeah! Hey you! Give it back to me! Yummy, yummy!
Ooh, so yummy. Wow. You, what are you doing? Hateful.
Huh? La 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 la.
Ooh, wonderful. Oh my god. What? Huh?
What happened?
Oh my god.
Oh no!
Huh? Aha. Huh?
What happened? Hey, let me help you.
Okay. Keep trying.
Hey-ya! Hey-ya! Hey yo!
We are close friends.